In this video, I'm going to show you how to open multiple files instantly in Excel. The first scenario is every time I open Excel, I want some files to open. To do that, I go to File Options, then go to Advanced and scroll down till you come to a section called General. Now under it, you will see at Startup, open all the files in, and then you have to give a path. I've already created a path here called demo. Copy the path, paste it here. Click OK. I have to now select files which I want to open every time. I'm going to go to another folder and choose multiple files. I'm going to copy this. I'll come back to my empty folder, but I'm not going to paste the files. I want to paste them as shortcuts. So right click, show more options, and say paste shortcut. Why is this important? Because I don't want my actual file location to be disturbed. Setting is done. I'm going to close Excel and reopen it. And there you have it. Those three files open instantly. The disadvantage of this approach is I have no choice. Every time I open Excel, these are going to open. If I want to stop this from happening, I go to Advanced General again and just delete that path. The second scenario is I have a set of files and only when I need them, I want to open them. Every time Excel starts, I don't want them. Only when I'm working on those specific set of files, I want to open all of them together. To do that, we'll have to use a different approach. For this, we are going to create a new file, a batch file or a CMD file. The way to do that is go to the folder where you want the file to be, new text document. Now let's rename it right here. Make sure you select the whole thing and say demo.cmd. It'll give you a warning because we are changing the extension as well. Click OK. Click yes. Now this is an empty.cmd file. If I double click on it, nothing is going to happen because there's nothing written in it. So right click on it and say open or edit in Notepad. What I want to put here is the path of all the files I want to open. Now I'm going to select multiple files, right click, and this time I'm going to say copy as path. Remember this shortcut, it's very useful. Control Shift C. Come back to our Notepad file and paste. All the paths were pasted. Nice. Now one extra step. We go to the beginning of this and put a start command. START, start, spacebar, double quotes which are empty, another spacebar. That empty double quotes indicates the title. Now I want that start command in the beginning of all the files. So simply copy paste. That's it. Now you save this file, close this file. Anytime you want to open those files, double click and run this file. And there you have it. Excel will open with those three files. What is the benefit of this approach? I can create multiple batch files, each containing different set of files for different types of work I do. Really convenient. The next scenario is I want to select multiple files on demand. I'm not creating a batch file. Every time I need different set of files. So I select them and now right click and choose open. And also notice that shortcut key. So you don't even have to right click. Just select and press enter and those files will simply open. The fourth method, just for the sake of completeness, I'm going to talk about. Make sure Excel is open, then go File Explorer, select multiple files and drag and drop on the Excel icon. Don't drop, continue dragging. It tells you when you move the cursor to the icon, it says, sorry, I cannot drop. But the Excel window comes in front. And now take the cursor on top of the Excel window and drop it. That's how you can open multiple files using drag drop. And the next bonus item I'm going to show you is how to open Excel quickly. When you start Excel, it will be shown in the taskbar. So right click on it and say pin to taskbar. If there is a dash below it, that means some file is open. Even if Excel is closed now, the icon is not going to go away. So you can click on it and instantly open Excel. But that's not all. Recently opened files will be shown here. Usually we open the Excel first and then try to open the file. Here, right click on this icon and choose the file you want. If there are some files you open very frequently, next time you open it, remember this is a frequent file. So pin it here. So you will get a separate pin section and these files will not go away. I have Excel pinned, but I still have to click on it. I want a keyboard shortcut. What do? Because Excel is most important to you, just drag that icon to the first position. And I'm going to do that for all my commonly used apps. So now Windows key and 1 will start Excel, Windows key and 3 will start PowerPoint, and so on. So that's how you incrementally improve efficiency. But let me show you a case study. This is real data from a customer which I worked with a couple of months back. These are experienced Excel users. They showed me how they get their work done. The red colored column shows you the time they were taking. Then I used the same data, produced the same output, and then we counted the time. And look at the difference. And that is what I want to highlight. Whatever may be the experience and expertise you have, there is enormous scope for improvement. And before you ask, not a single macro was written for this, or just using native features of the platform effectively. So if you want to optimize the work in your organization, let me know. This is my email ID. And while we are on this video, I'm sure you liked it. So let YouTube know that you like it. Share it with your colleagues. Subscribe and click on the bell icon. And most importantly, ask questions, put comments. If I miss something, let me know. I'll be happy to work on it. So that's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.